Welcome! We're hoping that this course is a great introduction to Utah State, and because you probably haven't used Canvas before, we wanted to give you a few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this course. You've probably already noticed that if you click anywhere on this home page that it's going to take you to different places in the course. So let's start by clicking here on Mary Shelley. This is a page you want to start with because it's going to give you some background on the author, and there's a great video that's going to let you know a little bit of background about the book itself. If you want to go back to the home page from here, you can click here. But another way to navigate through this course is actually to click on modules. There's actually a different module for each of the pictures that are on that front page, and we recommend that you start at the top with Meet Mary Shelley and kind of move down in order through these modules. After you look here, you're going to want to check out the actual film, the 1931 film. There's a link on this page where you can watch that film. And we actually recommend that you watch the film first, believe it or not, because watching the film and then reading the book will hopefully help you get a better sense of what's going on, but it's also going to set you up for some big surprises. Believe it or not, the book and the movie are not the same, and there's some cool clips that the professors Dr. Huneman and Dr. Brian McCuskey have chosen to help you kind of see the differences between those two. Going back to modules, of course, the next module is called Reading and Writing, and it's really important because it contains your assignment. There's only one assignment in the course, but it's super important. Before you do that, we recommend that you look through the reading questions. These will help guide you through the novel and help you to pay attention to what's important in it. Now, you can always go back to the modules to link to the next page, but you can also click down here at the bottom of each page, and that will take you to the next thing. The next thing, of course, is the reading response assignment. There's a strong assignment description here that's going to describe exactly what you need to do, so we recommend that you read that carefully. Also in this section are reading tips that will help you read through the book, and also, of course, writing tips that will help you to write your response and do the best possible. Other great resources that you want to check out here are Frankenstein's Science and Morality. After you've read the book, this section was specifically created to help you to make connections to the modern world, 2014. Well, how does this apply to what we're doing today in science and the moral questions that we have right now? Actually, there are a lot of connections, and there's a great video here to help you kind of introduce you to some of those things. Another great page right after this is connections to science fiction. There are a lot of modern science fiction movies that specifically reference Frankenstein or play on some of the same themes, and this helps you to make some of those connections. Last but not least, of course, there's the extra resources section, and this page is designed to help you to find some extra helps, but also some extra just places to explore. So there's an audio version of the book. There's 2 websites that have a lot of cool resources, including some copies, some pictures of the copies of the original manuscript, and my favorite, 100+ years of theater film adaptations in trailers. You can check out the many, many ways that this book has been put on the silver screen. So most of all, we hope that you realize looking through this that this course is designed to support you and to help you get the most out of this reading experience. If you have any technical difficulties, please look over here in this section. You can get all kinds of help with any questions you might have with Canvas. But most of all, we're just excited for you to be here at Utah State, and we encourage you to get reading and enjoy your time with Frankenstein.